To set up a driving mode on Motorola Signature, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and select the modes right here, and then we can pick driving. Now we can start the setup right here. Then you will see the option to already enable or disable driving mode with the switch. Then you can change when this should turn on automatically. So when your device motion and Bluetooth is connected, you can actually click on it and then adjust those options. If you select use Bluetooth, it will enter driving mode automatically when your phone is connected to the vehicle using Bluetooth, or you can use motion and Bluetooth at the same time. That way it will turn on automatically when device detects that you are moving in the vehicle and or while it's connected to the Bluetooth. So the connection is done. Let's move to the notifications and filters. You can manage which things will be able to reach you when you enter driving mode. So you can allow all of the notifications if you like, or disable them and then pick them manually. So first you can select people, messages and calls and adjust which specific contact groups will be able to, for example, wake up your phone or receive notifications from messages. Then there's calls, the same thing. You can change which categories of people will be able to toggle ringtones. You can select none and also enable allow repeated callers. That means if somebody really tries to reach you and calls you multiple times in a span of 15 minutes, the call will go through. Then there's apps. You can choose which specific apps will be able to by clicking on the add apps, you'll be able to set those apps which will be able to bypass your driving mode. Then there's alarms and other interruptions like alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders and calendar events. And lastly, we have display settings. You can adjust the display settings for that specific mode, like display options for filtered notifications. When your screen is off, you can enable that it won't turn on a screen. It won't wake a screen when you receive notifications. When your screen is on, it will hide notification dots on apps, so it won't distract you. Hide status bar icons at the top of the screen. That means those three icons would be gone. Don't pop notifications on screen, and hide from pull down shade. And those three options are visual, like grayscale, which changes your screen colors to black and white. You can keep the screen in dark, which disables always on display, and enable dark mode when you enter driving mode. Then your phone will change from light mode, like I have right here, to the dark mode. And that is all of the options when it comes to the driving mode. So thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.